Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here you are seeing pencil sharpener with a blade detached from the pencil sharpener. In this video, I will show you how to fix this blade to the pencil sharpener. Okay, so what you have to do is take out of your blade and fix here. Okay, and take out of the screw, small screw, and place it here in this hole and rotate in clockwise direction. And if you don't have any screwdriver, just you can use a scissor like this, and one end of scissor will do the magic. See here, rotate in clockwise direction. Yes, screw is tighten up. Yes, finished. So in this way you can easily fix the blade back to the pencil sharpener. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.